In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download sales reports on eBay. This tutorial is perfect for beginners who are just getting started with managing their sales data on the platform. Whether you're looking to analyze your sales trends or simply maintain a record, downloading your sales report can provide valuable insights into your business. Now, let's walk through the process step by step to ensure you can easily access and save this important information. First, we'll begin by navigating to the appropriate section in your eBay account. Start by logging into your eBay account and heading over to the Performance section. You'll find this option on the main navigation bar at the top of your screen. Once you're in the Performance section, you'll notice a tab labeled Reports. Click on this tab, which will lead you to all the available reports regarding your sales activity. Next up, we need to focus on selecting the correct report. Within the Reports section, look for the Sales Report option. This is typically labeled neatly, and its placement might vary slightly depending on updates to the eBay interface, but it should be easy to locate under the sales-related categories. Choose the report option that applies to your needs. Keep in mind that you may have options for different time periods or specific types of sales data, so choose the report that will best serve your analysis requirements. Once you've selected your desired sales report, it's time to download it. Typically, you will find a button or link labeled Download CSV. This stands for Comma-Separated Values, which is a file format that opens easily in spreadsheet applications like Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, or similar software. Click on the Download CSV button. This action will prompt the system to prepare and download your sales report data onto your device. Finally, you need to save the file to your computer for easy access. Depending on your browser settings, your downloaded file may automatically appear in your designated Downloads folder, or you might have the option to choose where it is saved. If prompted, select a location on your computer that is convenient for you. This could be a specific folder where you keep business information for easy reference later. It's good practice to name the file appropriately, mentioning the date or period it covers, so you can easily retrieve it in the future. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you now have your eBay sales report saved to your computer, ready for you to analyze and use as necessary. This process is essential for maintaining a comprehensive understanding of your sales patterns and diving deep into what works and what can be improved in your eBay store. Stay organized and periodically download these reports to keep track of your progress. Thanks for watching, and happy selling on eBay.